Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Suzy Kassem. My friends, we see everything down for the day. What's leading the way? Stocks are. We see both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100 down about 1.5%, moving in the direction of the largest chart as things typically do in a stock chart that you can actually track. And of course, the S&P eminently trackable most of the time. It can get a little confusing sometimes when the market's consolidating and sliding sideways, but when it starts to move as it is now, it's beautiful. And it is. Now, we see that we're in our second week of down move. Of course, we already set our profit and loss bands into our fourth down candle on the 2-day chart. That's 8 days. And of course, we can see where things have been plummeting on that half-day chart for many, many days. We go to the NASDAQ 100. It is down also, again, 1.5% for the NASDAQ for the day. Third down candle. We can see we're entering the green territory on our trade. And of course, the half-day chart moving down also. Now, at some point, we may get a pull up, and then hopefully it'll return in those down moves, because we can see that half-day chart has been tracking down for many, many days now. But we do seem to be in that negative territory. Now, we had things stop at about this point last time. We look at the 14th of August. Want to see things penetrate from there and continue moving down. We'll see if that's going to be some kind of area where there might be resistance. Don't know that. Keep our eye on things, but that is where we are today on Tuesday as markets are plumbing down, particularly on stocks. Bonds down again today, 0.35%. And of course, we see things nicely down. We had that initial down move, then it turned green a little bit on us, and then moved back down, the week beginning the 5th of September at the beginning of the month. And again, continuing to move down. Nice big candle. Had that nice high volume last week. We'll see. The volume is already, after just 2 days, 2/3 of the way to average. So that's a good sign in the continuing move. You can see on the 2-day chart that very high volume there, both on the 2-day candle representing last Thursday and Friday, and this one representing Monday and Tuesday. Let's move on to gold. Still, gold is sort of in this consolidation area, slipping sideways, little up, little down. We see that, again, if we try somehow to draw something, okay, we've got almost flat trend line tending up. We're out of that right now. Let's see how things continue to go. And of course, if that up move, it's tried 3 times to move up. If it rolls back over this week and moves down, particularly if it gets through where it consolidated last time, where it bottomed out and pushes through that resistance, make us feel even better. We'll see as the week goes on which way gold is going to go. What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin down a little bit for the day. It's our smallest down for the day of all 5 of our charts, 0.34%. And Bitcoin can move percentages every day. Well, just down a little bit. We see just a little red candle there for this week. Again, over the last 3 weeks, Bitcoin trying to sort itself out. It has penetrated that weekly trend line. Don't have any idea where it's really going to go. Tomorrow, Bitcoin could shoot up. We did have a green candle last week. We're still waiting to see which way it's going to go. That is where we are as we end the day on Tuesday, heading on into Hump Day. Got a great training for you if you are subscribed for free at the channel, chartingwealth.com. Of course, you get that email every day with a special training in it for you, as well as links to how to become a Patreon member, to how to set up your chart like we use here, all the good stuff that we have to share with you. If you're not signed up, go there. That list is never spammed, never shared. That's chartingwealth.com. And if you like our videos, would you please hit the like button on YouTube and subscribe to our channel. Share it with your friends. We do this for free every day for you. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.